In a sunny little corner of the great big sea, on the prettiest of reefs, lived a baby cuttlefish named Tony. Tony was small and soft and full of colours waiting to come out. Tony had a special way of showing his feelings. His stripes shimmered with the colours of his heart. When he felt curious, his little stripes turned the gentlest blue, like the sea on a quiet morning. "Ooh," whispered Tony, "what will today bring?" A bright yellow fish swam right past his nose, and just like that, Tony's stripes turned sunshine yellow. That was his happy colour. Then a whole school of bigger fish swam by. Swoosh! Tony tucked behind a sea fan and turned the softest purple. That was his shy colour, and shy is okay too. "It's all right, my Tony," said Papa, drifting close. "Every feeling has its colour, and every colour is welcome here." Just then, Tony noticed a little sea turtle. His flipper was tangled in some soft seaweed, and his big eyes looked worried. Tony's stripes wobbled grey. He didn't know what to do. But then, Tony took a slow, brave breath, and his stripes glowed the warmest orange, his brave colour. He used his 8 little arms to gently lift the seaweed away. The turtle's flipper slipped free. He bobbed his head and smiled the biggest smile. "Thank you, little one," he called. Tony glowed proud and golden. That was a feeling he had never felt before. They floated together for a moment, the seagrass swaying like a quiet song. Tony's stripes turned a soft, peaceful green, his calm colour. He liked this colour very much. Tony drifted back to Papa and pressed close. Papa wrapped him in soft, gentle arms. And Tony shimmered through every single colour, because that's what being loved feels like.
Blue when I'm wondering, yellow when I'm bright, purple when I'm tucked away and feeling shy and quiet, orange when I'm brave enough, green when I am still. Every color in my stripes is a feeling that is real.
Every color that I feel, every shade is mine.
Bright or soft or in between, everyone's just fine.
Happy, shy, or brave, or blue, all my colors here for you.
Every color that I feel is a part of me that's true. When you don't know what to say, look inside your heart. What's the color shining there? That's a place to start.
Every feeling's welcome here, every shade's okay.
You can shine in every hue, every single day.
Yellow, blue, purple, orange, green, rainbow. Every color that I feel, every shade is mine.
Bright or soft or in between, everyone's just fine.
Happy, shy, or brave, or blue,